Hi my friends, welcome to VPOER 2017. I wonder if you know these minions. They are one of my favorite characters. In their life, they always follow the one who rules the world from dinosaur to human being. So the question is, how human being rule the world? In my opinion, I think it was from the time when we invented tools like this. And VPOER is a brand, a professional brand for various kinds of tools which makes life easy. And today, we are going to introduce one of our hot-selling tools, the VTWN Mini Digital Top Wrench. Well, if we see the box, it's very strong, and actually, it is strong. So it will be very safe to ship from the warehouse of Amazon to your home. And we open the box. What's inside? A top wrench. It looks very small, so we can compare here. Well, it's really very small, much smaller than most other wrenches. So it will be very easy to use, and most importantly, it will be much more cheaper. And we have some different measure range for this model, from 10 Newton meter, 30 Newton meter, 60 Newton meter, and 100 Newton meter. They have some little difference, and you can choose what you need. Okay, we continue. A pair of VPOER battery, a screwdriver. This screwdriver is used to install the battery inside the other wrench. A driving agent, a warranty card, a user menu. You can learn how to install it and how to use it. And most important is the certificate of the inspection. This is to make sure all the wrenches are fully tested before shipment. Okay, in next video, I will show you how to use the wrench. Thank you.